Okay, today is January 8th, 2014. Let's start looking at Amazon. We're talking about Amazon today about trying to set up and get up to this new all-time high or make a new all-time high, at least test the previous all-time high somewhere around the 405 area, this 44405. And here's where the trade setup looks like. Basically using the 30-minute, you can see that 30-minute, you got this little trend line down here. You see these little pivot point here, right? And so essentially, I was looking at, when it break about this trend line, I was looking for the possibility of setting up to maybe, get up to this pivot and then go to that pivot and possibly get up here to make this all-time high here, or at least get up to test that, right? And if we go back and take a look at the daily, so here's a little supporting trend line here, and it broke that about a week ago. And if we take a look at here, right now, you see this, could have a little bit of a trend line here. So right now, also the other thing is, if you look at, there is a little bit of a support and came down here and got in on this support here. So right now, we're essentially looking for the possibility of breaking this trend line. And today, I was kind of eyeing that, if we got this little hammer and then got a green candle going up, any positive movement would be you know, a good possibility of setting up a little bit of a swing long and swing it up to the previous all-time high. And essentially, that's what I was playing. So right now, still holding that position. But again, because it's based on these very tight price action, the stop is very tight. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I'm going to take a loss and get out because you don't want to, or at least I don't want to, take a hit all the way down here. This is way too much of a risk because if we get up here, let's say that we actually got up here at 400 and you get down to the 388, that's a $12 risk. So even down here is right here is 396 and this is 400, so that's a $4 risk. All right, so you have to determine what kind of risk level you're willing to take on these kind of trade. And sometimes it's best to just kind of let it go because if it doesn't fall within your risk tolerance, and just let the trade go. Don't You don't have to trade every trade that come along.